Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to completely disable the power sliding doors in case your minivan is equipped with those. This video should apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now power sliding doors can be opened by a key fob. If you have these buttons here, they can be also opened by pulling onto the sliding door handle, or they can also be opened by pushing these buttons right here. But there is one more button, the fourth button up here, which is on or off. If you select off here, just like this, your power sliding doors become manual doors, so you don't even have to use this option anymore. So this is how you can disable it or enable it. If you press onto the on, again they will work. This is also quite handy to know in case your power sliding doors suddenly stopped working. Maybe you just accidentally push this button, that's the reason. So always look into that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.